Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to comparing Binance with Gate.io. Which one is better? Now just let's get to know. First of all, we will talk about trading fees. Now, as you can see here, all the statistics and fees. Now, Binance currently has introduced a temporary promotion offering zero trading fees on all pairs in September 2025. This makes it highly attractive for traders looking to minimize cost. Now, this is the Get.io dot charges and fat trading fees of 2.20%, which is below the industry average but still higher than Binance promotional rates. Get.io also offered lower fees for future contracts for 0.15%. For makers for makers it is for 0.05%, for takers as well. Now let's talk about product offering. Now, Binance, known for its extensively range of products, Binance offer various services including spot trading, margin trading with leverage up to 125x future contracts and crypto options. It supports a vast selection of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features. Now, let's talk about Gate.io products. Now, Gate.io also provides a comprehensive suite of trading tools, including spot trading and margin trading up to 10x leverage, and futures with the up to 10x leverage. It is noted for supporting a wide range of altcoin and has unique features like copy trading. Now, let's talk about user experience of these websites. Now, if you talk about Binance, this platform is user friendly but can be overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features. It offers advanced charting, tools, and mobile app for trading on the go. This is how you can looks like. This is all the market. This is little bit overwhelming, but let's talk about Get.io. Get.io is prized for its intuitive interface and ease for navigation. It also provides real-time market data and alert about new tokens, making it appearing for both novice and experienced traders. Now let's talk about security and features. Now both exchange implement like robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage option. However, user review indicates that Gate.io is particularly noted for its strong security and its protocol. Now let's talk about customer support. Now, Binance offer multiple support channels, including live chat, email, and social media, making it easier for user to get assistance quickly. Now let's talk about Get.io's. Now from here you can just simply Get.io, while provides supporting through ticketing and email, it lacks live chat option which may delayed response compared to Binance. Now Binance has more accessibility customers Binance has more accessible customer services. Now let's talk about KYC requirement. Now, Binance, if you talk about Binance, require mandatory KYC verification before user can deposit or trade, which may deter some user looking for anatomy. Now, let's talk about Get.io. Get.io allows limited trading without KYC verification, making it more appealing for users who prefer privacy in their transaction. In conclusion, if you prioritize low trading fees and extensive product offering, Binance may be Binance may be the better choice for you, especially with the current zero fees promotion. However, if you value user experience and privacy with the ability to trade without extensive KYC requirements, Get.io is stand out as a strong alternative. Now, each platform has its strength depending on your user needs and preference in the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency landscape. So this is the overall review. So thanks for watching.